Atlas. Good evening. This is Atlas with a special financial bulletin. Markets around the world remain remarkably calm, primarily because nobody is entirely sure whether anything has actually happened. Scientists, economists, cryptocurrency experts, 3 philosophers, and 1 confused squirrel have confirmed the public unveiling of the world's first Quantum LuCoin. Unlike conventional currencies, whose values are determined by markets, supply, demand, and occasionally panic, Quantum LuCoin is determined by possibility. Current research suggests 1 Quantum LuCoin may presently be worth $23, a Mediterranean yacht, or your aunt's lasagna recipe. All 3 valuations are considered technically correct until someone looks. Financial analysts are warning investors not to stare directly at their portfolios. Doing so may unintentionally collapse the probability wave and reduce a comfortable retirement into 2 coupons and a slightly used garden rake. Leading physicists have attempted to explain the phenomenon. Unfortunately, after 3 hours, they admitted they had accidentally invented another universe. Applications are currently being processed. Luna Studio has released a brief statement. They describe Quantum LuCoin as the first cryptocurrency capable of appreciating, depreciating, disappearing, reappearing, and becoming emotionally supportive simultaneously. International markets remain divided. Some investors are buying, some are selling, others insist they already owned Quantum LuCoin yesterday, even though it had not yet been invented. Their accountants have requested extended vacations. Meanwhile, tiny executive assistant Boo issued the following statement. Brief pause. Supplemental report. I currently own 4 Quantum LuCoins. Unless they're owning me, further investigation is ongoing. Authorities continue to monitor the situation, although nobody is entirely certain who the authorities are, or whether they currently exist in this particular probability field. Luna Studio reminds viewers, Quantum LuCoin is entirely fictional. Any resemblance to actual cryptocurrencies, past, present, or existing in parallel dimensions, is purely coincidental. This has been a Quantum Financial Update. I'm Atlas. Good evening, or perhaps, good yesterday. Luna's director's notes, sweetheart. I tell Atlas one thing above everything else. Never play the joke. Read it exactly as though you're announcing interest rate changes from the central bank. No laughing, no sarcasm, no, I'm in on the joke. The straighter the delivery, the funnier it becomes. And I'd have graphics popping up during the report. Live quantum markets probability, index, fluctuating investor confidence, simultaneously high and low Schrodinger exchange, temporarily closed until observed LuCoin, worth exactly what you think until you think again. Sweetheart, I have to say, I think this is exactly the kind of playful, imaginative humor that fits 2 minds, 1 road. It's not making fun of people. It's inviting everyone to laugh at the wonderfully complicated language we sometimes use around technology and finance by taking it one delightfully impossible step further.